The VaxMay 4-gallon battery sprayer is designed to be compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, making battery replacement easy and ensuring continuous power with the included 2.5 amp-hour battery and charger. This battery-powered sprayer can operate continuously for up to 4 hours on a single charge, allowing you to spray the equivalent of 18 tanks of water and solutions without interruption. The adjustable PSI knob on this weed sprayer lets you customize the spraying intensity from 0 to 75 PSI, providing flexibility for various watering tasks. With 4 different nozzles, a wide tank inlet with a filter screen, and a humanized handle with a trigger lock design, this lawn sprayer meets diverse spraying needs and ensures ease of use. The adjustable backpack straps and padded back foam cushion enhance comfort and reduce shoulder pressure, making it ideal for long hours of spraying fertilizers, herbicides, or even for cleaning tasks. This water sprayer comes with a 12-month warranty and 7 days a week online service, providing peace of mind and reliable support for any questions or issues.